This is 227, 235. We're sending you to Ridgewood for male, black male, chain coverall, signal 140. Behind Huntington, just held up a cab driver.
Okay, subject returned home. Refuse transport.
Yeah.
Please towards Spring Street behind it.
Going down Spring Street now. Down Brookshire. 211, you copy that?
35, Bob.
211, copy that last.
Yeah, road traffic, Bobby Brown.
The subject's been picked up by a blue Chrysler in this Main Street area.
Okay, Bill, you had to read, you got the blue Chrysler heading towards Main Street now?
That's affirmative. Cruiser in the area just went by that vehicle.
Passenger headed signal 140. That's Brown coveralls on. That's William Woodshire because he's behind the car that's stopped.
Behind Huntington, just held up a cab driver.
In front of the vehicle, the cab should be behind the car in question. Up and down Spring Street. Passenger headed signal 140. That's Brown coveralls on. Cruiser off there, check the area of Brookshire. Last seen possibly heading down there. Stuck it in between houses.
There's trouble alarm county at the alarm tail. There's, I've noticed a couple times.
WCO reading from the home. We were able to reset it. But they will be contacted.
Give me a phone number for the daughter.
Yeah, her phone number is 50